Good morning. It's 7 a.m. One of my neighbors, he's sawing logs. Not in the way I would prefer to be sawing logs. But he is, I think, manufacturing boards. That's something that's pretty common out here. This isn't the first time. Honestly, it's pretty impressive. Like, they just eyeball and then saw all of their boards and then haul them out by a donkey burro. So I'm considering invading their personal space and checking this out. Maybe bringing you guys along. Right over there. These woods are not a lot of fun to walk through, especially like this gully right here. There's like a lot of thorny, bushy plants that I don't really love to walk through. It really is impressive how these guys make boards. My whole cabin was built off of, boards that were extracted from the forest here. Like, look at this, for example. This is all of like, the closest I could get for 2x4s for my framing. They're not all straight, but these were all pulled out of the woods here. And they were cleaned up a little bit. But, I'm not complaining about what's going on here. Maybe a little bit for the noise. Like, fuck that. 7 a.m. chainsaw is not fun. But, I built my cabin with the lumber that was extracted from here, so I understand. I found him. He's just right up here. He's wearing a blue shirt. Climb up this, maybe. I hope so. Ugh. No problem. Easy. Let's see which way to go. I'm gonna take this trail. You see that trail? Yeah, hardly existent. This looks like something's been murdered here. We're making boards here. You can see there's quite a few boards that they leave up here to dry, and then we pack them out with donkeys later on. But right now, this guy is rolling this log over and he's gonna make some boards. So I have to get back to the cabin real quick just to grab another battery. Charging, new battery in. Let's go continue on with this adventure right on over that way. Chainsaw was hurting my ear holes, so I'm gonna go back better equipped and recharged. I've got those new batteries charging, and hopefully, obviously, definitely I can get some good footage. Maybe he'll let me cut some boards. He's an OG. He's like 70 years old, and he's just cutting, making boards. He does not care. love this. I actually just bought a brand new chalk line to make my marks. I haven't used it yet. I'm gonna use it on the cabin, but like that's where it's at. So that's how I built my house. All piney trees from this forest right here. They were milled, dragged out by donkeys, and then dragged back down by donkeys to build my house. This guy is crushing it. He's doing a great job. And your name? ¿Y tu nombre otra vez?
Leandro Hernandez.
And he's phenomenal. Like all these boards. I'm gonna get out of here because I got things to do today. I'm gonna chop this up and produce it. But thanks, dude. You're doing a great job. I appreciate you helping me build my house.